Hi there, students. To derive. So, to derive, to get something from something else, or to be the origin of something else. So, this product is derived from milk. It comes from milk. Or to derive something from something. The product is, we derive this product from milk. This word is derived from Latin. Okay, so it comes from Latin, derived from. It talks about the origin of something, where the thing originally comes from. So to obtain or to receive from a source. So this dance is derived from the Latin American dance type of music, cumbia, or the confidence that you derive from years of practical experience. Okay, so to derive from, to come from, to be a source from, you derive a conclusion from the facts. You arrive at something, you deduce it by logic. So this theory is derived from observation of animals in the wild. It comes from, yes, this spice or this herb is derived from a Mediterranean plant. Okay, so to derive, to obtain from. I derived great comfort from your kind words. To be derived from, to derive from, to base a concept on something, on an extension or a modification. So he derived this idea from the ideas of Aristotle. Okay, this word is derived from ancient Greek. Yeah, I believe that the word pundit is derived from Hindi. I think the word pariah is derived from Tamil. Okay, so to derive, to come from, yeah, to arise from the origin. Okay, so the book The Origin of Species by Charles Darwin shows that we are derived from ancestors. Different animals have derived from different places. Okay, so to derive, this name derives itself from an Old English word. One chemical substance is derived from another. So petrol is derived from tar sands. You get it from them. Yeah. You deduce, you infer, you derive something from your observations. The derivation, yeah, we can derive the word chauffeur, driver, from French. Okay, a derivative comes as it takes its origin from. The appeal of this film derives from the wonderful performances of the various actors involved in this film. So it comes from, it derives from. So you derive pleasure or benefit from something. You get it from that. I derived great pleasure eating the wonderful food that you make. I receive. a feeling or a word is derived from something else, it comes from that. His internal strength is derived from his belief in God, for example. Yeah, to be drawn from, to come from, to trace from, to come back from. Then you could derive a conclusion from something. You infer, you deduce. Also, to derive is a mathematical function by applying various different steps to transform it. So to derive, formality. I think I'm going to give it only going to give it a 5.5 in formality. So I would say use it anywhere. As to origin, it comes from the Latin verb derivo, to lead, to turn, to draw off a liquid. Day, away, and rivus, a stream, a river. So a river away, derive. The river comes away from this. This is where it derives from. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To derive, a derivation.